So in the previous videos we are just going through the chapter number 10, that is habitats and adaptation. In the previous video we have seen the terrestrial habitats and the aquatic habitats. Now in the previous video we have just started the adaptations, but before that I have given you homework, the let's answer. So first of all I am just giving the answers of that. So here the types of forest having a wide variety of plants, trees, animals found between the equator and the two tropics are known as, that we have seen here on the page very first. Here you can see they are known as the tropical forest. You can see here on the page number 111, the upper line which is given, tropic of forest are found between the equator and the two tropics, the tropic of Cancer and the tropic of Capricorn. So here in the let's answer, the first answer will be tropic of forest, tropical forest. Question A, first one, that is tropical forest, tropical forest. Second, area that receives very little or no rainfall. Here you can see on the page number 112 in the deserts. Here deserts are the area receive very little or no rain throughout the year. So our second answer, that will be desert. Second one, that is deserts. Okay. And third one, forest characterized by very low temperature and heavy snowfall. Which very low temperature, have very low temperature and heavy snowfall. You can see here Boreal forest on the page number 112. You can see Boreal forest have very low temperature and heavy snowfall. So third one, that is Boreal forest. Boreal forest. Okay. Fourth one, over here, the habitat where tall grasses grow and zebras and lion are found. Here you can see that is on the page number grasslands. Here the grasslands are the area where the large variety of tall grasses grow, not many trees or shrubs grow. Okay, so here the fourth is grasslands. Grasslands. Then after fifth one, aquatic habitat that have salty water. Aquatic habitat that have salty water, in that it will be marine habitat. Marine habitat. Marine habitat. Okay. Then question B, that is match the following. Question number B, that is match the following. In that the first one, that is lotus. Lotus, where does the lotus grow? You can see here it is for the freshwater habitat. So here you can see the freshwater habitat. The first, that is B, that is fresh water habitat. Okay, freshwater habitat. Second one, gorillas. So where are the gorillas found? Here let us find out where are the gorillas found. Here you can see it is written gorillas here, tropical rainforest, on the page number 111 in the second paragraph. You can just read that second paragraph. You will find tropical rainforest is. So in the second one, it will be E, that is rainforest is. Rainforest is. Okay. Third one, gazelle that are found here. You can see grasslands. They are found in the grasslands in the page number 112. You can see the picture is given over here. So here it will be in the third. It will be B. That is grasslands. Grasslands. Fourth one, that is coral reef. Where is the coral reef found? So coral reef are found, you can see, in the marine habitat. It is found in the marine habitat, that is C. Fourth one, that is C, marine habitat. Marine habitat. Okay. Then after fifth one, mangroves. Mangroves. And the last which is remaining, that is A, estuary. Okay. So these are the answers. Please note down and we will move further, students. Okay students, I will return the answer and now we will just move towards our new topic, that is adaptations. We have seen about the adaptation. Here it is adaptations. In that we have seen the definition of adaptations. Now we will see adaptation in tropical rainforest. Adaptation in tropical rainforest. Adaptation in tropical rainforest. So, what are the adaptations of the plants and animals in the tropical rainforest? First of all, tropical rainforests are situated between which the Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and between the equator. Okay, students, the tropical forests are situated. So from that, we will see adaptations. Which adaptations are there? First of all, we will see the plants, and then after we will see the animals. Okay, so here the first adaptation of the plants, you can see it is written over here. Many trees of rainforest have specialized leaves with pointed tips that allows raindrop to run off quickly. This protects the leaf from rotting. Here in the rainforest, the leaves are like this. They have a tip-like structure, okay, which when the rainfall means rainwater just is there on the leaf, then what happens? These will just move, and by this tip the water will fall down by drop, so it not harms the leaf. Okay, students. Now the next one is rainforest is trees from a thick cover due to very little light is able to reach the ground. Therefore, plants growing close to the ground have broad leaves to absorb all the available sunlight. So, the second adaptations. In the tropical rainforest, there is more trees and trees. So, what happened in the down part? There is enough, not enough sunlight to just get the plants. So, there are broad leaves, so that the sunlight which is get, they will just absorb more and more sunlight. Okay, students. Now, the third one, that is woody beans climb up tall tree to reach the sunlight. Here, some of the plants do not get the sunlight. So what they just make the help of the tree and just move over it and just go up to have a sunlight for it. You can see a picture is given. Plants such as orchids grow on the branches of the other trees to access sunlight. Here, which is given, they just revolve around the branches of the tree, other trees. Plants such as Boreal grow on the branches of other trees. They have leaves shaped in a cup-like manner to hold rainwater like a mini pool. Many insects and small animals live in this pool and provide nutrients to plants through their dropping. Here, a pool-like structure is formed by the branches and these tree woody structure, and in that small pool is formed. In that, between the some of the bacteria and all the things just grow and provide all the things to that plant. And these are the adaptations of tropical forest of the plants. And now animals. So, what are the adaptations of animals? Some animals such as leaf insect, stick insect and sloth have bodies that easily bend in their surrounding, make it hard for the predator to notice them. This behavior is called camouflage. So what happens? They hide between that. Leaf insects and all these hide between the leaves. Okay, so that the predator do not just make see that they are over here. So they will just help it. Okay. Now the third one, that is second one, that is some animals such as parrots have a small strong beak that can open hard fruits which other animals can't. This ensures access to food even when the competition for food is high. Means parrots have a strong this break. So what happens? It will just help to just open the strong fruits which are strong. Okay, students. So the competition for the food is less for them. Okay. The third one, that is some insects and frogs. Insects and frogs have usually bright color which signal to carnivorous that they are poisonous. So some of the insects and the frogs are also poisonous, which are of bright colors. Okay. And then after adaptation in temperate forest is let us see that. So adaptations in temperate forest. Adaptation in temperate forest. So first of all, we should know that what are temperate forests, that we have seen over here on the page number 111. Temperate forest. Parts of eastern Northern America, northern Eastern Asia and western and central Europe have temperate forest. Temperate forest again are of many kinds. We will discuss temperate deciduous forest. So they are temperate forest. So the adaptations of the plants that are more trees found here have thin broad leaves to maximize the absorption of the sunlight. Most trees are here deciduous in nature. They shed the leaves to avoid the freezing temperature of winter months. So here they just fall the leaves for the winter and as season just go on, okay, and their leaves are big than the other. Why? Because they can absorb more sunlight than animals. Many animals found in this region go into long winter sleep called hibernation. So this can be helpful. So I am writing the definition here. In the temperate forest, many animals found in this region go into winter sleep called hibernation. Okay, students, they either hibernate or migrate to warmer places to escape harsh winter months. Animals such as squirrel and chipmunks gather food during summer and store them for winter when food is hard to find. Here, the adaptation in temperate forest for animals. What they do, some of the animals just what they do, they sleep for the winter. When the winter starts, they go to the sleep and just don't come out up to when the summer is started. So what happens? Many animals found in these regions go into winter sleep called hibernation. Okay, so and also some of them migrate from one place to another place where there is no winter. And then after adaptations in the boreal forest. Adaptations in boreal forest. The following are the adaptations. First of all, the plant. Trees in boreal forest have a conical shape which allows the snow to slide off the branches. Here, the boreal forest trees are of how they are of conical shape, which allows the snow to fall down, don't just gather over the tree. And then after the other is tree have narrow needle-like leaves to protect the leaves from getting damaged in the snow. Here we know in the boreal forest what happened. It is very low temperature and very snow over there. So they have a structure like that. The snow do not just harms any of the things. So they have a structure like that. Okay. Another animals. Birds such as Arctic terns migrate to warm places during winter. So when the winter starts in the boreal forest, they migrate from there to the another place where there is no winter, and when from here winter goes, it comes back. Second, some animals such as bear and skunks hibernate, go into a state of inactive during winter months. In this manner, they can save energy when the food is scarce. They again go to the hibernation. Okay, in that they just sleep in the winter months. Then after, some animals such as Siberian tiger have a thick layer of fur to protect themselves while walking in the snow. So they have a big and the thick fur which protects them from the cold. Okay, and here are the adaptations in grasslands. Okay, well, the adaptations in the grasslands, that is, sorry, I forgot to write here. Adaptations in boreal forest. Okay, and the another one, that is adaptation in grasslands. So, let us see the adaptations in grasslands of plants. Here, plants have a flexible stem which easily bend without breaking its strong winds. Here, in the grassland, there are open ground, so the wind will be more. So they have easy like the branches which just move easily, so the wind can pass through it. Most grasses here have narrow leaves to reduce the loss of water during the transpiration. They have narrow leaves, so the water loss is less. Grasslands have a large number of grazing animals. Grazing grasses are adapted such that they can continue growing from the base of the stem even after animals eat away their top portion. Long roots of the acacia trees allow it to access water that is present very deep in the ground. So, from very deep they get the water. And now for the animals, adaptations for the animals. Most grasslands animals such as grizzly and zebra can run very fast. This helps them from being hunted by their predators. So here there is an open ground. So what happens? The zebras and all things just go faster. So they can be hunted by their predators. Animals such as deer have eye on the sides of their face to watch out the predator around them while grazing. On the other hand, animals such as leopard, lions have eyes in front of their eyes to keep up track of their prey animal while chasing. So, the deer and that whole have their eyes on the sides, but the lions and tiger have on the front. Why? Because they can chase the predators can chase the animals which is to be hunted, and the hunter just be scared with the predator, so they have on the eyes on the side. Okay, animals such as leopard and lions blend with the surrounding of tall brown grasses which allows them to hide and attack their prey. Okay, so they have brown color, so they can hide easily with the color of the grass. Okay students, and here we have come to the adaptations in the desert that we will see in the next video. Okay students, so in this, what is your homework? You just in your homework read the topics. Okay, read the topics that we have done today. Okay students, we will meet in the next video. Bye students.